𝗪𝟰🗯 from Audio Direct. Another day, another G-Wagon. And when I tell you, you got to check out the quality of the camera we put on this thing. Oh my goodness me. So the first thing to note is this vehicle has come directly from Foilers. Absolutely flawless job. To be honest, you know, we're around cars all day, every day, and I've been around cars for 25 years now. This thing, I mean, it looks like paint. It's factory. There is not a blemish. Whenever a vehicle comes into Audio Direct, we will film it, we will photograph it to make sure that it's returned to its owner in the condition that it's given to us. And this thing looks as though it's come out of a shrink-wrapped box. Look at the work that these guys have done. It's absolutely flawless. Big shout out to Foilers. Absolutely incredible job. And we've now taken this to a whole nother level. That's the front camera. That's the driver's camera integrated into the side mirror. Passenger mirror. And again, it all looks factory. It all looks stock. And that's the rear mirror. Now, when you step into this monster, and it is just, you never get bored of jumping into these cars, especially when you hear the door close behind you. Look at the quality. I mean, you know, it's icing on the cake with our screen. This is the latest 10.25. It's got the secondary lower options. Other companies don't have this. I'm not even going to go through this screen. It's just too much to go through. The 3D camera comes with its own toggle wheel. It's got so many options. You can tuck this away, stick it wherever you want, not a problem. But I'm going to put this in reverse and just observe the quality of this thing. Firstly, you got a G-Wagon on there. And I mean, that looks as though I'm pointing the camera behind the car itself. And honestly, there are so many options on this thing. I literally can't go through them. There is just, I think there's about 20 or 30 options. It's absolutely crazy. Not only that, you can set it up so that when you indicate, you know, see that? I've indicated, and now it's spinning the wheels of the G-Wagon. Oh, this is another level of baller. I know the owner's going to be over the moon, and I'm so glad for him. 𝗪𝟰🗯 from Audio Direct. This really is a pleasure to showcase, and that's my black belt level staff walking around the vehicle now trying to get in the picture. Everyone wants to be in on this one. It really is something else. And then I indicate right, you see the right indicator pop up, and then it's showing you the vehicle. Oh wow, I am so impressed. I am so impressed. And that's live. As he's walking around, you can obviously see it. Absolutely blown away. Huge shout out to Foilers, Audio Direct, 𝗪𝟰🗯.